guys!
Welcome back to my channel. This is my friend Ashlyn.
Hi.
And we are going to be filming a get ready with us video today. So this is our finished look. If you want to keep watching and see how we got this look and how much fun we had, that would be great.
Hopefully the video makes sense because I think we both might have zoned out whilst filming it. But
have fun.
Yeah. Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Cheers. We're ready.
Hold up.
Priming my face with primer. So I'm going for more like a natural look.
And
Because they should do the same.
we'll see what happens with mine. I don't really wear much makeup though, so it probably will be like natural as well. That's the only. This is my one eyebrow brush. Eyeshadow brush. This is my one eyeshadow brush.
I like it.
This is a little flat brush. But Tilly's gonna let me use hers.
I'm going to start by priming my eyes with my concealer so I can do my eyeshadow.
And I'm gonna start by drinking some more of my wine out of a
Cute
spotted cup.
Because people don't know that it's alcohol.
Oh yeah, we're drinking. I'm drinking wine and she's drinking cranberry juice. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice. She's not she doesn't drink alcohol. Okay, I'm going in with some concealer by Maybelline.
Just setting my eyes now.
I am really great at makeup. Woo!
With the Rimmel Stay Matte.
I don't set my concealer or powder. I'm a person.
Well, you will be today.
Why? I never.
You just put powder straight on top of your
Look
makeup.
at me. This is going on the internet. So you have.
Do you want to wet your beauty blender or your?
Oh, it's already damp.
Damp?
From like, is this gross? It's like you wet it and then it just lasts 2 days. And then you
Spray it with this.
But this is how I normally do it.
You're like a full tomboy. Like you're a grub.
I don't wear makeup. It's not my fault.
Okay, I've just set my eyeballs. Now I'm gonna go in with this bronzer in my crease. It's a matte bronzer from W7. It's from Chemist Warehouse.
Nice. Use a really small brush for bronzer. This is my bronzer brush.
No, for my crease. Of my eyes.
But that's bronzer, sorry.
No, it's okay. I always use bronzer in my crease because it's most natural to the one that you're going to put in your whatever.
Yeah, I know what you mean. I have a few friends that do that. That's good. I get really aggressive with my beauty blender.
Yeah, you think?
Do you do it?
No, I don't use a beauty blender.
Oh, really?
I used to. I do have one, but I don't. My dog chewed it.
I cut mine just to make sure there are no bugs in it because there's a video going viral that she saw bugs in a beauty blender. I was like, oh, hell to the no, I'm not doing that.
Dude, this video's only been going for 10 minutes.
I baked once.
You look a bit baked now.
No, I don't. This isn't
natural. Is that what you're gonna say? Done.
So now I'm using...
Makeup's done. Let's go.
Now I'm using Bliss Sticks because I've got chapped lips 24/7. I gotta put that lip balm all over.
Yeah, I've got some lipstick. I'm gonna use this chapstick. It's got SPF 15, which means we're not gonna be getting burnt tonight.
Moon baking. Ooh, you should use this one.
I know, it's old though.
Sorry?
Old, like 4 years.
I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon Palette. Yeah, great. And I'm using...
First, don't go in with that dark colour first. Use your bronzer first.
So I'm going in with the Rimmel London Natural Bronzer, and I'm not going to show you it because it's pretty like torn up.
Did you
the
see
lid.
mine?
No, but the lid's cracked.
It's definitely cracked now.
So I just snapped it. Woo, okay, so I'm doing that. It's a nice colour. It's orange like my hands. I just realised you should probably show my products because of my hands.
Hold them this way. Yeah.
Ooh, my eyelids are greasy.
Did you put, you have to,
What's it? Concealer on first.
yes, and then you have to set your eyes.
Dip it in like a sparkly one. Now look at it.
And taste it.
So the eyeshadows in this palette taste really like sugary and sweet.
Oh, Too Faced.
So I'm going in with Malted. And I'm going into my cream to darken that. And maybe
My eyeballs.
I reckon you might actually finish your eyeshadow, like everything before me for once.
I wish.
Okay. That looks really shit, but I gotta do it on the same eye now. On the
Okay.
other eye now.
I'm putting a Sports Girl highlighter, and I've had it for years and it's so worn off, but it's still amazing. Thanks, Sports Girl. You've done it again.
Sports Girl actually have some really
They have
lovely-
really good makeup.
Yeah. I don't know. I've only ever used their highlighters and glitter eyeshadows.
Yeah, and lipsticks
Is
are
that
pretty
from
good.
Sports Girl?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's literally my favourite. I use it
Everything's-
on my face and on my eyes. My only makeup I do on my eyes, like everyday go-to.
Sports Girl.
Yeah, because I can just pack this, use it on my eyes, and then use it as a highlighter.
Sports Girl, if they have really nice shimmery stuff, it's really good.
Yeah, I love it. And another thing with the Sports Girl colours are, say like you do like some pinky colours in your crease and on your outer crease,
Yeah.
and you put this on top, it literally just blends into whatever colour you've done, and it just,
It looks so pretty.
Yeah.
Right now. But you've got sparkles all. When you do your foundation, it'll cover it up.
yeah.
Red light, green light, fast cars, fast money, fast. Okay,
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, I'm going in with this Napoleon shade. It's pretty munged up.
I've done what Tilly's told me to do. Now I'm going my own way.
Yes, girl, that looks good.
Now I'm going with the Too Faced chocolate palette.
What are you using?
And I'm going in with
That one first or this one?
board. Oh. Look, I use this every weekend. I'll do it. I got this. I'm going in with the colour. This one. Not that one.
And I'm going in with this Napoleon colour.
This one. I'm
It's
going
so
in
fun.
with this one here.
Cute.
The dark brown one. I'm now going to just grab your powder brush.
Nice. Just because I didn't want to use it anyway.
No. It didn't get anything on it. It's okay.
I'm kidding. It's just really natural and bronzy, so I don't mind.
And I'm going for the fake ass bitch look. I want to look judgmental as hell. I want to look scary. I don't want any of those girls coming near me. So, we're shoving the makeup on.
We've literally been here for at least half an hour, and we've only done our
What
eyes.
time is it? I'm gonna bring it down. Even though I did this at the start of the video, I just wiped it off because I screwed it up.
Well, I'm the opposite. I foundation and then conceal.
I did foundation.
Do you guys want to know how to catfish? This is how you do it. You get the
Holy shit, that's a lot of foundation.
It's not.
I don't use that much.
But you don't have.
You have good skin. You have better
I
skin than
know.
me.
No, but with that brush, I guess with Beauty Blender it's different. But with the brush,
Thank you.
Yaji, and then Mac.
Thanks, Mom. Do you want to be my mom? Can I call you Mom?
No. Mac.
You're 2 years
Call
older
it.
than me. Mom!
Okay, so I've used the Kat Von D Lock-It 24-hour full coverage foundation because 24 hours.
Kat Von D's good, but I'm a Jeffree Star fan, so...
Where?
my
Bitch,
my
where?
lipstick I left in Victoria.
And then the NARS Sheer Glow. So this is just for like to make the Kat Von D one not so full coverage. And then a little bit of MAC Studio Fix, and then the Master
Gosh, mouthful.
Maybelline Master Strobe Liquid. So look at that. It's well.
Miss me with that bullshit. Wow. Okay, now I'm setting my under eyes with some translucent powder, which I just had. It's
It's
Tilly's,
there.
because I don't know what translucent powder really is. Is it powder? Whoa, that's a lot! Holy shit, you had a lot before. What's this now?
This is not a lot. This is. It looks like a lot, but it's not really. So.
A little goes a long way. Okay. My foundation and concealer is done. I'm sorry for all the makeup professionals that are looking at this and going,
People are probably gonna think this is the wrong colour for me.
you blend it out, it'll look fine. Your makeup always looks fine. Okay. What? Oh, okay, so now I'm doing eyebrows. So I'm going with the Benefit Cabrow. Oops, that's not the one.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, my nails. Can you hold that up for me? Benefit Cabrow. Awesome. And it's in the colour number 3. Beautiful. And it has like a brush, so you should probably buy an actual brush because the brush in this is really bad and I've had this for so long.
Have a brush.
But you just
use it.
pull it out and then that's your brush. So I start by doing my, what's this part of the eyebrow called? Tail. And I just put a line down.
I'm just doing my foundation.
I need more. I've had this for so long, it's really dry. And then I just do like thin, quick strokes on the inner part of my eyebrow. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with some brow gel. It's tinted ever so slightly. I don't know what brand it is or anything anymore though because it's so old that it's wiped off.
That's okay. And I've just concealed under my eyes just with the same concealer I used at the start, and then I'm just putting whatever's left up here, down my nose. I don't really highlight like with foundation. I mean, I have a pimple here, but it's alright.
Where? You don't notice it.
Yeah, the foundation covers it. So
Your foundation's really good.
yeah,
Tilly always has really good foundation and concealer.
it helps when you have good skin. So
Yeah, you have really good
Ish.
skin.
I get told I have good like skin by like lots of makeup artists all the time. I'm just setting under my eyes with the Insta Fix Matte Rimmel Translucent Powder. This is amazing. I use this to set my whole face, but I haven't finished the liquid, so I'm just setting it under my eyes.
So I'm going to now clean up my eyebrows with the same concealer I used under my eyebrows, under my eyes. And I just put that straight onto the brush. Yeah, and make sure that's really on the brush. But you don't want too much because it gets hard to control.
Do you want to? Okay, don't worry.
No, it'll be fine, yeah.
You do you, girl. I've never done my makeup with Ashlyn, so it's really cool seeing how other people do their makeup, not just like, yeah. So I'm using this Stay Matte Rimmel powder again. It says it's in transparent one, but it's not really my colour. So
Like it's
let's
slightly
see.
tinted, like too light.
No, but like the other one's good because it's translucent. This is transparent.
Translucent, transparent. Same thing.
It's okay. I just want to put it here because I want to use my other powder to put in my contour area. What do I mean contour, like as in I don't know what I mean.
So I'm starting to find it hard to do my makeup
Why is that? Ash?
because Tilly has been giving me one.
But you look so good. Your makeup looks so
Feel-
good. Are you feeling it, babe?
I am feeling it.
See, the difference between Ash and I is I'm a very heavyweight. I could have about 10
Oh,
drinks.
shush.
Ah, hello.
Shush.
I've had.
How many drinks have I had and how many drinks have you had?
You've. Okay.
I've been drinking
okay, so
since
you've
like
had
4,
you've
5
had-
o'clock.
Okay, so have you had three
And what
of
time
those,
is it?
three
It's
drinks?
like 8:30.
4. This is your 5th drink.
This is my 5th drink. This is Tilly's 2nd drink. And I'm just feeling it now. Like I was feeling it before, but it wore off. And now I'm feeling it.
Mind you, I'm having double shots, so
I'm feeling really tired. Okay, so you're like 3 drinks, 4 drinks.
3.5. Whatever. We'll be together soon. The same levels.
Perfect. So I'm going in with concealer on my nose as well, just because.
I was looking at you, I was like, are you contouring?
No, because
I'm just rounding up my thighs. Oh, that's really nice.
Okay, so I'm just doing my thing here. Gonna have another sip of this because feel good. It's feel good juice. Here goes Ashlyn.
Who are you talking about?
Okay, new topic. Eyebrows finished. Eyeshadow nearly done. I'm just going to fix up my eyeshadow by going in with the brush I was using for most of my eyeshadow.
I'll be fixing up my hair too. I'm bronzing.
Oh
my
yeah, I have to
face.
do my hair as well, but we'll stop and come back when we do our hair.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm going in with all the colours that I used except for Molasses Chip, the sparkly one, under my eyes. So I'm going in with Bordeaux,
You're good at this, hun.
Malted. Yeah, I'm going with those two. So I'm going with Bordeaux, and then I'm going in Malted. I'm probably not pronouncing the names right.
What? Okay. I'm not even putting any more product on this brush, but the same brush that I used for my crease, I'm taking under my eye.
I'm going with the Rimmel Natural Bronzer, and I'm bronzing my cheekbones, like contour kind of. When did you start wearing makeup?
Properly.
Mm-hmm.
Probably year 10.
Okay.
Oh no, year 11. Year 11. Oh, maybe even year 12. When I used to go out like
No,
to
no,
put-
I don't mean out, like just a little bit on the daily or stuff like that.
When I was at school, I never wore makeup.
Oh,
I
'cause
maybe
you went to a private school. So
no, I went to a sport year 11 and 12. I went to a sports school, so I was literally sports school. We literally exercised every day.
So there was no need for you to wear it?
Exactly, yeah.
So I started wearing it a little bit in year 9. I have a pretty blurry memory. I think I started wearing it in year 9.
Oh yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Well, when I was at my sports school, I just either did mascara some days, and then maybe I'd do my eyebrows a tiny bit. And the one day that I would like wear makeup, like maybe once every couple weeks, I'd like, hey, I've got time, I'll put on a full face of makeup. I'd walk in, everyone's like,
Whoa.
yeah, because I never wear makeup, so they're just like,
What the heck, Tilly?
yeah, like what?
Tilly, are you even Tilly?
This ain't Tilly, girl. Shit.
This is the Mega Volume Mascara, the Mega Volume Miss Baby Girl Mascara by L'Oreal Paris.
So this is my Afterglow Urban Decay palette. And now I'm going to highlight with these two shades. Wow.
That's so beautiful.
That one.
Tilly did come last. I have finished my
I
makeup.
haven't even put on lipstick. Oh, I'm wearing gloss, I think. I just feel so much better with gloss. So this is my go-to Oh My Glosh by Rimmel London.
I'll just sit here on my phone as you finish your makeup. And then once Tilly's finished her makeup, we'll come back and show you our final looks. We're just setting our makeup right now. Ooh, Tilly. Perfect.
Yeah, where?
We'll insert clips of final outfits and videos of the night. So, bye guys.
Bye.
Mama rang my phone and told me that she really proud. I heard you on the radio, you got some type of sound with the speakers loud. Got to hit your show, see what you bout. Call me going stupid.